about what we do?
What is good about the flipped classroom is that when we go home and see the video, we can comment to see the questions and he will answer us. When we come here in class, he comes and answers all of our questions that we have doubts on.
And then another cool thing is we can also get to learn by ourselves at home, and we can feel like we're really learning by ourselves and feel proud of it.
I like about flipped classroom because homework is more interesting now. Kids from my age don't like to do long homeworks, but it's an interesting homework and it's really fun about it.
I agree with you because everybody knows that we don't like to do homework about writing stuff, and flipping classes is better because we don't have to write. We can just watch a video and write in the computer. And now in class we can ask Mr. Perez Alonso if we have a question, because if we're at home we cannot send all of our questions to him and expect him to answer even if he can't.
I like Mr. Perez Alonso's flipped classroom because it's the same as the old way, but in a more fun and dynamic way. Like instead of him being there in the board and we copy notes, we just watch a video, and the class works, we do it online, and well, I think that makes it more interesting instead of copying notes and having regular tests. I think the homework, what used to be homework, is better done in class because it's you have Mr. Perez Alonso with you, and any doubts or questions you ask him, and the explanation on home, because well, the video explains itself, so I think that's better.
It's easier for us to do the other things.
I think in here we learn more about what we're working on because the teacher is right here. We can ask a question about it.
Because we have you, or can you explain us the things that we need to do here? And that, because if we can do like the work here, and it's better because maybe we do not get distracted at home, like simple stuff like your dog, something happened, and you only watch a video, and when we have something wrong, you help us and we come and comprehend it better.
Okay.
Helps us at the homework that used to be homework, now is classwork, and I also like it because the explanation is at home, and we take less time explaining and asking questions.
And I like the big classroom because if we do the homework here at school, Mr. Perez also can explain us how to do the homework, and if we're stuck in something, he can explain how it is, but explain the question, the structure of the question. For then we go home and we see the explanation of the section or of the unit, and we understand it more.
I like the flipper classes because you get the videos that teachers post from the lessons. You could watch it whenever you want to study or when you understand, and you can repeat it and understand better.
I like to do what we used to do in classwork at home because, as you said, you can do it as many times as you want to understand better. And while you're at the classroom, maybe like the teacher wants to say more, but if you don't understand, you have to ask him a lot of times.
I like the flipped classroom because we take that homework home, and if we don't understand something, the teacher can help us.
like it because we can work in groups in the class and you can help us, and it's easier because at home maybe we don't have someone that can help us with at home.
We can answer our questions instead of like having the classwork at home. We cannot, like, there won't be someone to answer our questions and you can answer them.
Imagine you didn't finish your classwork, like at class, and you don't have anyone like to help you with that, or even you don't even forget the problems, the questions. You can just go online, and maybe it's a questionnaire online, and you can just answer them. Like, you don't have to like write it by paper and forget the questions if you didn't actually understand them. Yeah, that's all.
We can review whenever we have a test.
It's still gonna be there, and even the past chapters, it's still gonna be there. If we have like any complaints or comments about or questions about the topic section, we can just go there, see them, and understand our problems.
Also because it can help us like a lot when we're trying to study, and it's very important that we understand each lesson, so we can just go back and see the videos and understand what we studied.